Welcome to today's episode of The Social Media Blueprint. I'm your host, and today we are diving into one of the most exciting, yet mysterious topics in the world of social media: viral content for social media. Ever wondered how some posts seem to explode, showing up everywhere on your feed? Or why your favorite brands seem to always have that it factor when it comes to social media? Well, get ready because today, we are unlocking the secrets to viral content, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to take your social media game to the next level. Segment 1: What is viral content? Before we dive into the examples and strategies, let's define what viral content actually is. Simply put, viral content refers to any piece of media, whether it's a video, meme, tweet, image, or blog post, that spreads rapidly across the internet, often because it resonates with a wide audience. Viral content has a few things in common: relatable or emotional appeal. It makes people feel something, whether it's laughter, or surprise, or even outrage. Easy to share. It's simple to share with friends, family, or followers. Highly engaging. People can't resist interacting with it through likes, comments, or shares. Segment 2: The power of viral content for businesses. Okay, but why should businesses care about viral content? In today's digital world, businesses rely heavily on social media to engage with their audience. When content goes viral, it can provide a huge boost in visibility, brand recognition, and even sales. Think about it. Viral content doesn't just stay on your company's page. It gets shared, reposted, and talked about across the internet, which can put your brand in front of thousands or even millions of people without spending a single penny on ads. Segment 3: Characteristics of viral content. So, how do you create viral content? Here are a few essential characteristics of viral posts that businesses should focus on. Timeliness. Trending topics or events can provide a perfect opportunity to ride the wave of a current cultural moment. Creativity and humor. Creativity is key. Whether it's a clever meme or an unexpected twist in a video, humor makes it more shareable. Authenticity. People love real, authentic content. Showing the human side of your brand is a surefire way to build a connection. Value. People share content that adds value, whether it's informative, entertaining, or thought-provoking. Call to action, CTA. A good viral post often invites people to engage further, whether that's sharing, commenting, or even visiting a website. Segment 4: Examples of viral content from top businesses. Now let's take a look at some top examples of viral content that have captured the internet's attention. These brands nailed it, and we can all learn a lot from their strategies. Dove's Real Beauty Sketches, 2013. This heartwarming campaign touched millions by focusing on how women perceive their own beauty compared to how others see them. The emotional appeal resonated so deeply that it became a global conversation. Nike's Dream Crazy campaign, 2018. With the help of Colin Kaepernick, Nike created a viral ad encouraging people to follow their dreams despite the odds. This campaign sparked a lot of discussions, with both praise and controversy, but it went absolutely viral. ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, 2014. This one is an unforgettable example of how a viral challenge can raise millions for a good cause. People all over the world filmed themselves pouring ice water over their heads to raise awareness for ALS. Red Bull's Stratos Jump, 2012. Red Bull took going viral to new heights, literally. Felix Baumgartner's space jump broke records and received millions of views, strengthening Red Bull's image as the brand that pushes boundaries. Wendy's Twitter roast, 2017 present. Wendy's has built a reputation for its sassy, humorous responses on Twitter. Their viral roast tweets have gained tons of attention, with the brand becoming known for its witty and bold social media voice. Spotify's Wrapped campaign. Every December, Spotify releases a personalized, wrapped summary for each user, showing their most played songs and artists. It creates viral content as users share their personal music stories across social media. Oreo's Super Bowl tweet, 2013. When the lights went out during the Super Bowl, Oreo quickly posted a tweet that said, "You can still dunk in the dark," accompanied by an image. The tweet was shared widely and became a prime example of real-time marketing. Old Spice's The Man Your Man Could Smell Like, 2010. Old Spice turned a simple commercial into a viral phenomenon with humor and catchy lines, making it one of the most memorable ad campaigns ever. Apple's Shot on iPhone campaign. Apple leveraged user-generated content by encouraging people to post their best photos taken on iPhones, which were then featured in ads and on social media. It showcased how powerful iPhone photography can be. Taco Bell's Taco Emoji Engine, 2016. Taco Bell created a fun and quirky viral campaign where users could tweet emojis of a taco and another food item to receive a customized response. The campaign was a hit due to its creativity and fun engagement. Segment 5. Tips for creating your own viral content. Now that we've seen what works for big brands, what can you do to create your own viral content? Here are some tips to get you started. Leverage trends. Stay on top of trends. If there's a meme, hashtag, or challenge gaining momentum, see how you can tie it into your brand. Use hashtags wisely. Create or tap into popular hashtags to increase the visibility of your posts. Engage your audience. Ask questions, run polls, or start conversations. The more your audience interacts with your content, the higher the chance it will go viral. Test different formats. Try videos, memes, infographics, or live streams. Different formats have different potential to go viral. Collaborate with influencers. Teaming up with influencers or creators who already have a massive following can give your content the exposure it needs to go viral. Segment 6. The risks of viral content. While going viral sounds amazing, it's important to know that there are risks. Not all viral content ends on a high note, and not all attention is good attention. A poorly executed campaign can backfire and damage your brand's reputation. That's why it's crucial to think carefully about the messaging, tone, and timing of your viral content. The future of viral content. The world of viral content is constantly changing, and what works today might not work tomorrow. But one thing is for sure, businesses that stay authentic, creative, and relevant have the best shot at creating content that will capture the world's attention. So, Take the lessons from the big brands we discussed today, stay tuned to trends, and get creative. Who knows? The next viral sensation could be your brand's moment in the spotlight. Thanks for listening to today's episode of The Social Media Blueprint. We hope you've learned a lot about the power of viral content and how it can elevate your business's social media presence. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and join us next time for more social media insights. Until then, keep creating, keep sharing, and stay viral.